I genuinely believe I just created one of the most valuable resources for anyone who wants to start a YouTube channel. If you've been stuck choosing a niche, figuring out what to post, or wondering why you're not making progress, I created this YouTube channel starter kit to help you stop guessing and finally start building your channel with confidence. If you've been thinking about starting a YouTube channel, but you keep feeling stuck, confused, or overwhelmed about where to even begin, stop what you're doing because this video is for you.
Maybe you've watched tutorial after tutorial and still feel like you don't know enough. Maybe you've spent weeks, even months, going back and forth trying to pick the right niche. Maybe you've already created a channel, but you're posting randomly, not seeing any growth, and honestly starting to wonder if YouTube is even worth it for you. I want you to hear this clearly. The problem is not you. The problem is that nobody gave you a real roadmap. And that's exactly why I created the YouTube channel starter kit. Here's what I see happen to so many new creators. They get excited, they start a channel, they post a few videos, and then nothing. No views, no subscribers, no direction. So they get discouraged and quit. Not because they weren't talented enough, not because YouTube didn't work for them, but because they were building without a foundation. The YouTube channel starter kit changes that completely. It's a step-by-step workbook that walks you through everything you need to build your channel the right way from the very beginning. You'll get clear on your niche, one that's not only something you love, but something that's actually profitable and sustainable. You'll define exactly who your audience is, so that every video you make speaks directly to the right people. You'll build out your channel branding, so that your channel looks and feels professional from day one. You'll walk away with your first 30 video ideas already mapped out, so you never sit there staring at a blank screen wondering what to post. And you'll have a full 30-day action plan, so you know exactly what to do, when to do it, and how to stay consistent. But it doesn't stop there. You'll also get bonus resources, video hook formulas to grab attention from the very first second, content planning templates to keep you organized, thumbnail checklists to make sure every upload is optimized, and a full YouTube launch checklist so nothing falls through the cracks. This is everything I wish I had when I first started. And I made it incredibly affordable because I genuinely want this to be accessible to every creator who is serious about making YouTube work for them. You don't need experience, you don't need fancy equipment, you just need a clear plan. And that's exactly what this gives you. So, if you're ready to stop overthinking and actually build something, click the link in the description below or find it in my bio. You'll get instant access, you can download it immediately, and you can start working through it today. Your future subscribers are out there right now, waiting for the content only you can create, but they can't find you until you start. Don't let another week go by. Click the link, grab your copy, and let's build your channel together. I'll see you inside.